So I thought I'd go ahead and film this bit. I'm just removing the perimeter bolts. And they're all different sizes. As I recall, when I took it apart, the longer ones went through the little plastic clips. I think I'm going to set this guy on a big socket. There really shouldn't be anything wanting to push this apart. I haven't done any trial runs on this, so what you see is live, not so it'll either go well or very badly. All right, all those are out. This part goes next. Now, when I was putting the lower piece on, there was a lot of alignment problems. All right. Now, what is going on with you? So the one has appeared, and now I have two others that have disappeared. I'm going to try and fish it using a screwdriver here. Okay, good, and good. All right. That is tricky. So I'm going to try. Yeah, good, good. Oh, very nice. Look at that. I'll use that. Oh, yeah, that's good. Right, that's very nice. That's what I wanted. All right, so these guys go through both plates.
It all worked out. Get on the fly.
Just going to put this on the other side. And let this guy grab onto him. But that's it. That is a Rockola write-in readout assembly. Polished and cleaned. Now, do you need to take it to that level? Probably not. But in this particular instance, like I said, some of those pins were pretty rusty. I just wanted to make sure that there was no additional damage to the springs or anything like that inside. It's pretty clean inside. It did look like there had been maybe some kind of a liquid spilled on it at some point, and it had all drained out of this area. So there was a little bit of mixture of dirt and whatever that liquid was build up here. Now, it could have also been some kind of lubricant grease that was in the bushing that leaked out and ran down. That's a possibility too. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. Catch you later.